Watch, Kai.
Yeah, with people. Really? A build-up.
Let me see what you got, Kai. Can I see?
Yeah, a Lego watch. You can build it.
Wow, you're gonna be such a builder.
Wow. Let me see, Boo Boo. Show Mommy. What is that? Ooh. Look, it's like a big blanket. You want to try it on? Come here. No. Come here. You don't need to lay down.
Hey.
Come here.
Little construction cons. Oh, this one and one. And I
Look,
just want
hold on. Look, it goes over you like that.
Whoa. What's Vivi?
Hold on. Ready? Let Mama take a picture. Smile. Smile. Look at me. Look at Mama. Pretty girl. Yeah. Oh, did they make a doggy noise?
Now I have two sunflowers.
What?
Tell her now she can lay down.
Yeah.
Kai, you wanna do another present?
Yeah, right. All these are yours, so.
Oh,
Oh, night.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, I like that blanket.
Super
Yeah.
That's what you need for a cool house.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't tell me you got one too.
That's like Libby.
Wow.
Superman. Let's get yours on.
Supergirl. Is that Supergirl?
It could be Supergirl.
Gonna be so warm at night watching TV
Here.
now.
Yes, they
Yeah,
will.
now you never have to say you're cold. Here, let me take yours, Kai. Hold on. Ready? Look at me and smile. Oh, nice. I love it. Oh, hold on. It came out a little fuzzy, Kai. Oh, that's because the flash wasn't on. Hold on. Ready?
Look at Bibby. Bibby's all set.
Yeah. It's ready for nighttime.
Take this off. Hey, you lost me.
I mean, it has to go over your head. Over.
Sue off me. Sue. Get off me.
Oh my god, you just put that hard.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I hope there's at least one more TRNSF
There
form in there because that's what he's looking for.
A dog. Really? Dogs? So why do we have dogs?
Now you have another supply.
Huh?
Yeah, more bubble bath.
Yay!
Thank you, Santa.
Oh my,
And thank you for the little construction cons.
that's Devastator.
Daddy.
Yeah, that's devastating.
Yeah, I remember you asked for Devastator. It'll hold like for like 2 months straight.
Look at. What is this?
What you got, Kyron?
Look.
Look, you can play music. Good. Wow, nice, huh?
What is it?
A little drum thing.
Oh,
Addy, what are those over there?
What?
These.
For Kyron.
This is
Oh.
what I wanted. A pig. Yes. Oh, look.
Face though too.